Seneta wa kaunti ya Nyamira Okong'o Mogeni igaruka kuboria gocha serikali kwene kibunango kinire eng'eri ya balimi bekamiriye chae aso kwene kibunambo chikogokera oburimi obwo ukwana sebunge ya seneti himarogo bajarero Okong'o nigo hateruna balimi abangeni go babasoreirie gochia koiyora gwesikuya ekemeri ekyo aso kelini go bagendete gwetira amakong'o anene chingaki bagweki eng'eri yabo ase etundubali.
People who are doing farming should get income that is commensurate to people who are also sitting in offices. When we speak about tea, Mr. Speaker, there has been a debate in this House, Mr. Speaker, whether it's high time we introduce the minimum returns for farmers, Mr. Speaker. If we say, for example, that every farmer should earn 100 shillings per every kilo of green tea, that will be a decent income, Mr. Speaker, for our farmers. In Nyamira, farmers are threatening that they will uproot their tea, and I'm sure maybe that agitation has probably extended to our neighboring counties of Kericho and Bomet, simply because, Mr. Speaker, we have not been able to put in place policies that will protect our farmers. We say that agriculture, especially tea, is a big contributor to our foreign earnings, Mr. Speaker. So how can we, as a government, abandon our farmers, Mr. Speaker?